Spokesman of the opposition lawmakers coalition in the National Assembly, Honorable Ugochinyere, has hailed the Federal High Court Rivers State Judicial Division over its declaration that there is no going back on Rivers local government election on October 5th as scheduled. Reacting to the court's judgment during a media briefing on Monday in Abuja, he commended the judiciary for once again demonstrating that it is the hope of the common man and not the defender of the mighty alone. According to Honorable Ugochinyere, the judgment delivered by Justice IPC Igwe is victory for democracy, blaming the pro-Wike lawmakers of running around to obtain court injunction in order to frustrate the process, while others are already campaigning for votes, calling leaders of the opposition People's Democratic Party (PDP) to wake up and restore the party.
The timeline for this election is as given by the Supreme Court, as given by the law setting up the State Independent Electoral Commission, as given by the River State Independent Electoral Commission law, and also as given by the directive of the federal government that if democratically elected local government is not in place, they cannot access the allocation. And it's also important I say this. Over 15 states have done local government election. Everybody's in a race. Yes, the process may not be perfect in some of the states, but something has started, courtesy of what the president did by going to the Supreme Court to get that order that election must be democratically elected, to get that order that if you don't do it democratically, you cannot get the allocation of the state. The rest is for us lawmakers in Nigeria to now change the law to ensure we make the process more independent. But others don't even want it to happen, and there are those who are working for the president.
On the suit between Action People's Party (APP) and Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, Rivers State Government, Governor of Rivers State, Justice Igwe ruled that the defendants are bound to make adequate provision for election into the local government councils of Rivers State and to ensure that the affairs of the local government councils in Rivers State are conducted democratically by elected local government councils. The court's ruling is sequel to suit number PHC/2696/CS/2024 between Action People's Party (APP) being the claimant and Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, Rivers State Government and Rivers State Governor as defendants.
That an order of mandatory injunction be made and is hereby issued compelling the Rivers State government and the governor of Rivers State by themselves or by their agents, servants or representatives to make adequate provision for election into local government councils in Rivers State and to ensure that the affairs of the local government council in Rivers State are conducted by democratically elected local government councils. Further ordered that mandatory injunction be and is hereby issued compelling the first defendant to conduct election into local government councils of Rivers State on the 5th day of October 2024 or on any other date fixed by the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission in accordance with the electoral guidelines in order to comply with the Supreme Court judgments and to take all necessary steps towards the conduct of the said election, including sale of forms to candidates and their parties.
The federal lawmaker wondered why the People's Democratic Governor have allowed personal interests of an individual to override the general interests of the party, adding that if they fail to do what is right, the PDP may not be in the right frame for a contest in the 2027 election. Anyeti Patrick, Co TV News, Abuja.